Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In the previous video, I told you how you can add or delete a column from your data table or data frame. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can arrange your data table or data frame. So first of all, let's get started with creating a column. That way we can also revise our previous lecture. So I will make a column and I will name it sum, and it will be equal to the sum of total sales, NA sales, EU sales, JP sales, other sales and global sales. But before that, let's see what columns do we have in our data table. So let's comment this line out and I will write here print in the empty parentheses df.columns and now run the code. And here you guys can see that I have NA sales, EU sales, JP, other and global sales. So let's continue in this line and I will write here df square brackets and in the quotation marks the name of the column that you have to add in your column that you want to create, plus so on. Now you guys can see that we have created our column which is sum, and if I print my data frame, we will see that the sum column is present at the end. So let's print df and run the code. Here you guys can see that we have sum column at the end, and if I write df.head 2 and now run the code, you will see that we have more columns and less are abbreviated. Let's try for 1. Nope, it's same. So you guys can see that the sum is present at the end. So now to rearrange our data table, what we have to do is let's remove this line. I have to redefine my data frame by simply writing df is equal to df and in the square brackets the sequence in which you want the columns to be. But before that, let's again print out our columns. I will write here print in the empty parentheses df.columns, and after running the code you guys can see we get the name of the columns. Let's copy it and I will paste it inside the square brackets. Now you will notice that we have double square brackets in which we are writing the name of the columns. That's how it should be done. And if I write here print df.head 2, you guys can see we again have sum at the end. So to rearrange this column, I will simply cut it from here and paste it wherever I want it to be. I want it to be before other cells, and if I run the code now, you guys can see that we have our sum column before the other cells. You can arrange your data table however you want. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.